In last week's homework, I talked about two of my unique points. One is my hair, and the other is my hobby reading English novels. As for my hair, it is definitely my nature, because all of my family members have black hair, so I can say that it is my nature. As for my hobby, it is related to my nurture. I remember my junior high school days. I loved English so much, so I studied English very hard every day. But at the time, reading English novels was nothing for me. I didn't know what the benefit of reading English novels. But after I entered my high school, my life changed a lot. In my high school, there are so many kinds of English books and library. And one day, I happened to find a book which was really old and a little dirty. At first, I said to myself, "Ooh, what a dirty book it is," or something. But after that, I thought that so many students, so many people borrowed and read the book. Then I realized that reading books is one way to communicate with people, to share our feeling, to share our time each other. As for English novels, we can communicate with people all over the world. We can share our feeling or our time each other with people all over the world. The feeling of such kind is really great for me, and that's why I started reading English novels, and now it is one of my hobbies. My high school, the new circumstances, the new environment changed my life a lot. So that's why I think my hobby is related to my nurture. Thank you for listening. That's all.